What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today is the day I've been waiting for. I'm giving away a pair of Hella horns and I'm also installing them on my STI today. I actually already have one apart. I'm doing a black base coat and then I'm painting them silver. I'm kind of doing a silver, blue, and gold theme on my car right now. But yeah, this is what they come like in the box, and open it up. I already have one open, but it comes with the horn in a blue package and you just tear it open. And they're really simple. You have your positive, you have your ground and your positive, and the horn, and you can take all these bolts out and then take the frame off. That's red, and I'm painting that silver for my car. For the giveaway, just go follow me on Instagram, and then on my latest picture with the horns, comment a blue heart. And then if you want to give me a reason why I think I should give them to you, just give a genuine answer. Go for it. DM me pictures of your cars, anything, but at the minimum, follow me in the blue heart on the picture. You'll be good to go. I'll pick one lucky winner at the beginning of March. To get the lame part out of the way first, what you do is there's a bunch of black plastic clips right here. You can just take a flathead to. So this one, got this one, this one, this one, this one, and they're all the way around. It's just the plastic ones. The other ones with the screws, that's for the lip, which you can probably leave on. Next, there are 3 plastic clips. Again, use a big flathead screwdriver. There's one here, here, and here. And then the rest are 10mm bolts. So there's one right here, one right here, one right there, one right there, one right there, and the last one over here. And then we can pull the bumper from the outside. Before we can pull the bumper off, we gotta get this guy pulled back on the fender. This looks like you can't really pull it out, but all you have to do is inside the middle, there's a little circle, push it in, that'll snap, and then you can kind of pull this off. Be very gentle. Pull this out. Before you get too crazy pulling the bumper off, make sure you disconnect the fog lights. There's a little clip inside here. As far as parts go, we talked about the Hella horns earlier, so we have those. I'll link below. And then I have a Grimspeed wiring harness, which literally is just a plug and play from the stock horn. Makes your life 10 times easier. Highly recommend. Link below to Edge Autosport. And then I got a pair-in horn mount. Comes in a box like this, some directions, and then you open it up, and all it is this bracket. And there's like a perfect spot right in the middle where the cross brace is for like the frame in the front. You take one bolt out and then it goes in right here, and then the horns can mount right here. But yeah, you need these parts. Edge Autosport, they have great customer service, fast shipping. JP's the man, so hit them up, links below. Looking inside here, there's a plastic clip we need to pop off. After that, there's a 12mm bolt. I'm gonna take that off. With the OEM horn, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the bracket it goes on off first. And then just pull the whole thing off, and then disconnect the wires. There we go. OEM horn gone. Major key alert, do not forget this. I have to pull off the whole entire bumper. I'm done now, but I have to pull the whole entire bumper off because where the stock horn mounts, this guy right here, this black plastic deal, that is the ambient air temperature sensor, and you'll throw a check engine light and your cruise control will blink. So I gotta go take the whole bumper off and put this guy back. So leave this on the stock, like the wiring that's for the stock horn, that just clips on the end of it, leave it there. I took it off, I shouldn't have, just FYI. now we can continue. If you guys are curious what hella horns look like taken apart, it's really simple. Nothing much to them, but I'm prepping them to put on the car. Get this bolt off, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my small impact drill, and then I have a 1/2 inch socket, and let her rip. Hella horns painted. I kind of messed up this one right here, but I'm over it. I tried to fix it, whatever. And then this one came out perfect. I just needed to let it dry a little longer before I touched it. With the Perrin mount, it came with 2 washers. That's for the horn. So we're gonna go ahead and I'll fit this on here. And then a washer, and then a nut. I'm gonna leave them hand tight until I figure out what I'm gonna do wiring. There we go. Hooking up the wiring harness straight into the stock. And through here. So easy, just can't believe it clips in. These just slide on. Too easy. Every other car I've had to splice wires and whatnot. Oh, so it doesn't hit the radiator. Make sure you guys like bend these tabs like in. I'm actually gonna put the wires on the outside now. Yeah, that's better. Take the original bolt that came in the middle. The other one that was down mounted to the bracket for the stock horn. That bolt goes on the right side for the support. Got them in, now I'm gonna test them. Got the horns on, all I'm gonna do is make sure the wiring is good, maybe add a zip tie if I need to, and then from there, throw the bumper on, we'll be good to go. The front bumper is kind of a pain to put back on. Maybe it's because I'm by myself, but it's a good thing because it fits so snug, so it hangs on tight. So it's not necessarily a bad thing, but just be patient with it. Taking a look. Looks awesome. During the daylight you could probably see it way better. But I really like how the silver came out. Stoked. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, if you want to win those hella horns, follow me on Instagram. Comment a blue heart on the picture of me and the hella horns. And I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. And that's it. Later.